The hardest thing is staying into the trade until my target hits. I've switched to a low risk, high reward strategy. Keep selling too early. 79 cents was my target, and I sold at 60 and 65. I need your discipline, Trey. Yeah, just study Mark Douglas. Mark Douglas talks a lot about the importance of getting your correct risk reward out of your trades, and also like just try to find videos on expected value. Like, try to look up videos of people explaining expected value. I actually think I have a video on it somewhere.
Do it.
But yeah, it's very important to understand expected value in the markets, right? When you understand expected value, like when you truly understand it, you'll stop selling early. Because it's the understanding of like, hey, look, I have to get what I'm supposed to get out of my winners, or else my overtime expected value is going to be negative. Just because you make money in this trade, who gives a shit about this trade? You shouldn't care about the trade. Like, this trade is just a part of your larger system, right? Who cares? Like, who cares if this goes up and then it rolls over and you go red? Like, you still need to trade the positive expected value, right? There's no such thing as like shoulda, coulda, woulda. Oh man, but what if I? Like, no, you have positive expected value and you trade it. Like, I trade live over on Twitch TV every day. See you there. Yeah, that hopefully will help you. I got out of that at 16. I got too greedy. Could have had 17 or 18. Yeah, I mean, once again, if you exit where you're supposed to exit. That's all you can do. The only thing you can do once the market opens is follow your objectively defined strategies. That's it. Now, after the market's closed, you can work on making your strategies better and stuff. That's why you journal, right? That's why you use a journal to ensure that your strategies are actually working. And when you find, you can start to find weaknesses in your strategy via journaling, and you can start to tweak the strategy potentially. Been beaten so much in trading the last 5 years, so now I'm jaded. Yeah. Just, I know it's hard, but a lot, like, every beginner trader's number one problem is that they're too small picture focused, right? They are so worried about being green in this trade or being green on this day that they scale out of their positions where they're not supposed to. You see people scaling out of positions early all the time. And just about all the time, it's not part of their system. They're just scaling out because they're afraid of going red. All they care about is locking profit. People would rather be green $100 than like look to make $500 but risk having that $100 go red, if that makes any sense. But you have to, like, on your winning trades, you have to make that $500, or else over time you're not going to make money. Because you're still going to take losers too. There's going to be losers. There's going to be red days. There's going to be red weeks. There's going to be red months in your big picture trading. So you have to get what you're supposed to get out of your winners. Who gives a shit? Like, you shouldn't care about like the individual trades that you're taking. The individual days that you have. People put way too much pressure on one trading day. Like, zoom out once again, and journaling helps a lot with this too, right? Because when you journal, it really helps visualize, like it really helps you zoom out, really helps you go, okay, look, man, damn, May was red, but I've been green every other day this month, or every other month this year, sorry. So like, it's still okay. The strategy's still going quite well, like things like that. Zoom out. Don't put too much pressure on one trading day. You've got the rest of your life to trade. Tens of thousands of more days, God willing, to trade, right? Your expected value and statistical edges come over time. If you play one hand at the craps table on the pass line, I think you've got like a 49% chance to win. You play one hand, you about have a coin toss chance to win, right? But if you play a million hands, the casino's going to wipe you at their 51% odds. Statistical edges happen over time, right? Red months, damn. Yeah, red months are gonna happen. Trading is the craziest short-term variance game there is, man. Like, you have a profitable strategy, but variance can still kick your ass. Just like in poker. Poker, dude, people that enter poker tournaments lose, like don't make the money on, like, 8 out of 10 of them. They don't make the money. But why do you think the same names keep rising towards the top of the leaderboards? Why do you think your Phil Hellmuths, your Spraggies, your Easy with Aces, I'm naming streamers now because I forgot other poker players' names, Daniel Ingrano. Why do you think these guys are always at the top? Because they do have a small statistical advantage, even though they lose a lot because of variance, right? They still have a statistical advantage that over time propagates them to the top of the leaderboards, right? Affiliate link, give Trey money. Yeah, if you want to sign up, I do use. Someone asked, do I journal manually or do I use TraderView? I use TraderView, yeah. People don't spend enough time, or really any time, ever studying the psychology of trading. People don't want to listen. And I don't want to be mean to anybody out there. If this is you, I'm not being mean. I'm trying to help you. But people don't want to learn how to trade, man. People want to make money. They don't want to learn the process of trading. They just want to make money. So they don't study trading psychology. They don't understand bankroll management. They have no idea, how they should interact with their emotions when they're in trading and how to react when certain things happen to them. They just study they just do this. Profitable day trading strategy. They'll watch this video and shout out the trading channel. I actually really like this guy. I'm nothing against this guy, but they'll watch this video. It's 30 minutes long, and they will watch this video that's 30 minutes long, and they will think they know how to trade, and they'll go start trading. There is so much to this game that you need to learn. That's what I try to help my community do.
It ain't over for me. It ain't over for me. The market crashed on me, but that's not my last, homie. Only one logical thing to do. Don't trip by the dip, 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 by the dip. Don't trip by the dip, 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 by the dip. Don't trip by the dip. Get my chips and dip. Hot coins and watch me flip. In and out, I'm stacking pips. Market look embarrassed by the dip, 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 by the dip. Don't trip. Sour cream and onion dip. Scoop it with some ruffle chips. Sink them like Titanic ship. Bartender, here's a tip. Crypto face is the truth.
Here it comes, chat.
This is market cipher school.
Rory make you say, ooh.
Making plays on Trading View. Waiting on a blue triangle. I just call